Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look on the gold market as usual. So you can see in the recent few sessions gold doesn't show big activity. Actually we are waiting for reaction on the support, and gold still keeps the tension, showing that maybe indeed the bread and butter trade could start right from here. Here we have some a bit contradictory moments. First of all, gold from one side is standing around the support, forming some bullish hints on the intraday charts. At the same time, the overall upward action that we see right now looks very slow and weak. So market looks really heavy, which makes me think that still, well, it still could drop a bit more. So showing just a harmonic retracements on the intraday charts. So that's the thing that's really could happen. At the same time, the setup that we discussed yesterday and taking the position on a butterfly pattern that we have talked about recently works nice, because the overall upper action has happened and it's really not very small. So take a look at the follow time frame chart. Here we see that right from the point that we have specified, a pullback has happened, and general market here is forming the bullish wedge. So it's falling wedge pattern. But as we warned previously, in most cases, yes, the falling wedge is the bullish pattern, because it shows the housing of the bearish pressure. Because as market starts to form high standing lows compares to high standing tops, so it means the downward action is slowed down, which in turn suggests the is housing the bearish pressure and is housing the power of the bears. And after all, this market usually shows the reversal when the all bears lost its power, and market shows the reversal in upward direction. That's how wedge pattern works in most cases. But sometimes it happens, not very often, but it happens that wedge pattern shows the fast acceleration down. This direction to the strong breakout at the downside. This also could happen. Currently we have this wedge pattern which is potentially bullish, and we have the bullish divergence even with the MACD. But this action that we see right now here, and especially on the hourly chart, I will show a bit later, it doesn't look like the strong reversal. So it looks very choppy and slow, and currently I would suggest that hardly we will get the real upward breakout, at least based on the technical factors that we have right now. Well, it seems that some more swings could be done inside of the wedge before some direction will be set. What does it mean? It means that although yesterday we talked about the taking a long position, and you can see that upward action has happened not really very bad, so it's approximately for $15 per contract, so it's not really a small move. Market keeps the harmonic swings here, but take a look guys on the shape of this action. So it's very gradual and slow. It means that if you have taken the long position, probably you could keep it. Just do not forget to tighten your stops on each retracement's bottom. So take a look. Market shows the new retracement, starting upward action, move stops to these lows. Again, upward action has happened, minor retracement is done, upward action continue, move stops to these lows. So just control the risk, or split your position just for tracking the stops with the half of the position and moving the stops to the break even on the rest of the position, if you still could keep some part of the position in expectation that market could show the acceleration, because we do not know, some political events could happen or something of that sort. But currently it seems that well, it's very slow action, and I suggest that indeed market could show some more swings in the wedge that we see on the follow time frame chart. So that's the hint to you. You could think how to manage your position, what to do with your trade if you have taken the long position here, whether you will grab the profit totally or split your position, as I said. So that's the thing. That's the thing to think about. So that's what we have on the gold. As I said, the conservative traders probably better to wait for a strong level and then the clear pattern to follow, because that guy's setups is mostly tactical and stands on intraday charts, and we just mentioned any trading stop that could help you for the trading on day by day. So yes, we had only this butterfly. That's why we have mentioned it, and it works pretty nice. But that is also, guys, it's very short-term stop, mostly it's tactical, that gives the result within the one session. Speaking on the setup that we have on a daily, well, we need something more. We need reaching of the strong support. We need to have clear, strong bullish patterns on the 4 time frame chart or something of that sort. Yes, we have hints here and there. So market is calling around. It's forming the falling wedge. It's forming the bullish divergence. So that it means that the chances on upward continuation are not really stands at the zero. So it could happen, but overall performance doesn't look impressive. So that's the moments that you need to consider in the current situation.